Well, there's the steam engine, all finished. It runs. It doesn't have gaskets yet because I never got around to it because, well, I got it running and it's run on compressed air. It'll probably never run on steam. There's my other steam engine. Likewise, there's some giant D&D dice from welding practice up on the top shelf where they will probably stay. There's even a trebuchet up there as a catapult. I have a problem that I tend not to finish projects and I get distracted. And I did find working on the steam engine and inflicting YouTube with my goings on that I did actually stick with it and got the thing finished in a reasonable amount of time. So I think I'm going to continue doing this as I do my projects just to keep me on track. If you guys want to follow along too and have a laugh at my expense, then feel free. And you know, if you want to give me any advice, that's also welcome. Other projects, quick workshop tour here. We got the grinder, we got the thing. We got my passion, which is aerial motorcycles, which I really need to get back to. That's why I got into machining in the first place. We got the toaster oven for baking circuit boards, heat gun for stuff, putting new batteries in the calipers. Most of what I've been doing in the past few weeks is 3D printing. Really interested in the whole process of 3D printing and getting, you know, a small business going of selling things efficiently for, you know, excellent product, minimal labor, and I pretty much got that figured out. Shipping and receiving, failed pick and place machine project here. Shipping and receiving, accounting corner, some electronics corner, more shipping. And then there's the machine tool stuff here, which is currently unserviceable because I stole a USB hub because I needed one because I left my work wireless mouse at the office. So that has to be retrieved. My voice is going. It's 105, 107 degrees here, which is, you know, like 42 metric, and dry as a bone. And I've been, I took the other two bikes out because I want to get clearance to look at this one, which is the Eternal Project. I picked this up in 1985 as a bucket of parts in Glasgow as a chopper. The frame was scrap. The forks weren't there. It had these big long forks. So it's got WD, brand new WD forks on. I mean, brand new old stock. All that's left from the original bike really is the engine and gearbox. Everything else is parts that I've acquired. At one point, I thought I'd put this disc brake on the back, and I may still do that, but this wheel has a rather badly bent rim, so the rim has to be changed anyway, so I may just redo the whole wheel thing, maybe go original. The reason I'm inspired to do some work on this project is a very nice man from the 3-in-1 group gave me, where is it? This, which is a big chunk of bearing bronze. He had an ordering problem, and instead of buying 6 inches, which this is, which is what he actually wanted, he bought 6 feet. So he has a bunch of this stuff. And he threw some my way because it will make new bushes for this. It's actually overkill for this. I think you're only 16th inch of metal is what you'd normally have in the bearings there. But this gives me the flexibility to put a different size shaft, oversized shaft, maybe, you know, hardened chrome or something. You know, change the dimensions and do something that's permanent. Not that this machine is probably ever going to see enough use to wear out ever again. The rear suspension on this is all a collection of parts from various trades. At one point, some idiot decided to put Delrin bushings in there, and that's a bad idea. So we're going to do that with bronze. First, I have to figure out how to make the bike stand up without a wheel, because I don't have a rear stand, and there was never a center stand on these. This is a Ariel VB 600cc. Basically a lawnmower engine, but 600cc. Side valve. This is an alloy head engine from 1955. The frame is 1949. The forks are, you know, somewhere between 1939 and 1945. And the other bits. So it's a collection of parts. If I'll ever be able to register it, I do not know. I do have the original logbook, but that goes with the engine, and the original frame is long gone. So anyway, that's what I'm going to be inflicting on you. As you'll notice, this is a rainbow. This is a secret project for the Rainbow Motorcycle Company. We're going to enter into the 33 TT sidecar race. That's an in-joke. Look it up. Rainbow Motorcycle Company.